guys, Cindy A. Lewis, and I thought it would be fun to get together and put together some cards. This is a creative card kit that makes 12 cards from Tuesday Morning that I picked up some time ago. The kit is $5.99 at Tuesday Morning, and you know, you can't even buy cards for $1. Now you can make your own cards with all kinds of things, but if you've got a kit and it has everything in it pretty much, then why not do that? And then when you need your cards, they're already made. So I thought I would make them together with you. So let's just get started. So let's open the pack. Inside the pack you get 12 cards. You also get the envelopes that go with it. So let's just take everything out and set that aside. Envelopes are really, really cute. They're all pretty much the same. You have a place for the return address and the to address, and then look on the back. How sweet is that? So I'm going to be sending this to one of my friends that really loves kitty cats for sure, even if it's just to say hi. All right, so we get all these embellishments. Look at these cute embellishments. I'm trying to keep it in frame really good for you guys. Some of them say, let's celebrate. Some of them say friends. Some of them just say, happy birthday for you. Really, really cute. And we're just going to put these together and chat a little bit. Now you do get some pom-poms and you do get some little jewels. And if you want to add your own, you could definitely do that. They give you some 3D foam squares to go with your kit, which you could adhere these with. Or if you have your own glue, you can use that as well. I also have some more adhesive dots just in case, because I may want to put more than one on the back of these embellishments, these little ephemera pieces of these cute, cute kitty cats. Okay, so we do have about 16 or so of these cute little kitty cats, and we have 12 cards, so at least one per card. There are these little pom-poms, which are really, really cute. There are these little jewels, but I went ahead and I have some that I've just set aside, so I've pulled those out just in case I want to add a little bit more, because, you know, more can be better, right? All right, so it's a special day. This one already has a special day on it. So let's just put something really cute on here. This is a cute little kitty. We could probably put that there. We're just going to take this off. So how are you guys? I'm just decorating, talking. I'm not doing anything in particular. But have you guys ever purchased one of these kits, these creative card kits from Tuesday Morning? Just wondering. Let's see. Now you could add these pom-poms with these little foam dots. So I might try one. I was thinking about just using glue for it, but we could try it. See what we think. And then we could just stick it here, kind of like that. But I feel like it needs more. See, I'm going to be one of those, right, that says, oh, it needs more. So let's put this one together. And then what I'm going to do is just make these cards, and then we're going to run some music behind it, and then we'll talk a little bit. So that was fun putting these cards together. Some of them are really simple, and some of them I just added some ribbon. This ribbon was from a grab bag I had from Dollar Tree. So look how cute that looks. And I may embellish them a little bit more. But just use some of the jewels and that ribbon from the Dollar Tree. Also, this one, excuse my arm, is from the Dollar Tree. Just made a little bow and added to that one. This one, I used the green and added a couple of little mirrored tiles, gems that I had from my stash. This one, I put the happy birthday here, and then up here, the little kitty with the balls, and it kind of looks like he's after these balls as well, those gems. And then on this one, I just put a pom-pom, and then this little kitty at the bottom. Just really, really cute and easy. Some don't have as much, and I think I may embellish them a little more. This one, I just had this little heart, so I put it on the top. And sometimes you don't need a lot, really. This one's a little happy birthday, and it has the little jewels in there. This one is life is perfect with the little pom-poms, so those are cute. And then this one, princess, so I just put her little heart jewel up at the top, but on the inside I put friends, so that looks really cute. And then this one has some pom-poms embellishments. And this one is with some of the ribbon, again, from that Dollar Tree grab bag. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed just watching, putting these cards together, and just having a little time to craft. So please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.